What if I told you the farm of the future looks less like a field of green and more like a scene from a sci-fi movie? We're talking about a world where robots, drones, and artificial intelligence are not just helping farmers, but revolutionizing how we grow our food. Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, and today we're digging into Agriculture 4.0, the high-tech revolution that's reshaping one of humanity's oldest industries. As our global population grows and climate challenges mount, the need for smarter, more sustainable farming has never been more critical. At the core of this change is something called precision agriculture. Forget one-size-fits-all farming. This is about doing more with less. Imagine a farmer using GPS to plant seeds with centimeter-level accuracy, or drones flying over fields, acting as high-tech scarecrows that also spot diseases before they can spread. In-ground sensors constantly whisper data about soil moisture and nutrients directly to a farmer's tablet. This isn't just cool tech. It's big business, projected to be a $24 billion market by 2030. It means using exactly the right amount of water or fertilizer, right where it's needed. This boosts crop yields and profits, while dramatically cutting down on waste and pollution. And then, there are the robots. The classic image of a farmer toiling under the sun is being joined by autonomous tractors that plow fields 24/7 and robotic harvesters that can gently pick a ripe strawberry without bruising it. The market for agricultural robots is set to explode, growing from around $13.5 billion in 2023 to over $40 billion by 2028. These machines aren't here to replace farmers, they're here to empower them, taking on the most repetitive, back-breaking tasks with incredible precision. In livestock farming, automated systems are feeding cows, milking them, and even monitoring their health, leading to happier, more productive animals. But what's the brain behind all this brawn? That would be artificial intelligence. AI algorithms sift through massive amounts of data, from weather patterns to satellite images and sensor readings, to make predictions. They can forecast crop yields, identify pests, and tell a farmer the optimal time to plant or harvest. Think of AI-powered smart irrigation that gives a plant a drink only when it's thirsty, saving incredible amounts of water. Or computer vision that can spot a single diseased leaf in a field of millions. This is data-driven farming at its smartest. But what about our crowded cities? Where land is a luxury, farming is going up. Literally. Vertical farming and controlled environment agriculture, or CEA, are bringing the farm indoors. Picture crops grown in stacked layers inside skyscrapers, under custom-tuned LED lights, without a single speck of soil. Using methods like hydroponics, which uses nutrient-rich water, or aeroponics, which mists the roots, these indoor farms can grow food year-round, using significantly less water and land than traditional farms. This means fresh, local produce for city dwellers, with a tiny transportation footprint. The revolution is happening at the microscopic level too. Through biotechnology and genetic innovation, scientists are designing supercrops. These aren't just your average plants. They're engineered to resist pests, survive droughts, and thrive in extreme weather. This means farmers can rely less on chemical sprays and worry less about crop failures. And the technology doesn't stop at the farm gate. Once the food is harvested, blockchain is creating a super transparent digital ledger. You could scan a QR code on your apple and trace its entire journey, from the specific tree it was picked from, all the way to your grocery store. This ensures food safety, reduces waste in the supply chain, and gives you total confidence in what you're eating. Now, this all sounds amazing, but we're not quite living in a robotic farming utopia just yet. The biggest hurdles are cost. This tech isn't cheap, and a lack of technical skills. Many rural areas still struggle with reliable internet access, which is the backbone for all this connected technology. These are real challenges that we need to solve to make this future accessible to all farmers, not just the biggest players. So the future of farming is here, and it's a powerful fusion of agriculture and technology. From precision drones and tireless robots to brilliant AI and soaring vertical farms. These innovations are paving the way for a world where we can feed a growing population more efficiently, more profitably, and most importantly, more sustainably. The challenges are significant, but the potential to build a secure food future for generations to come is even greater. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.